So we wanted to explain a little bit about the QE compressor. Now, as most people know, when you're running the QE or the E-type compressor, you have to run a 4-line air dryer. Okay, so when you see this head configuration, be sure you check for that, because that can cause big problems when it comes to oil pumping. The other question we get is installing the unloader kit in the unloader box on the side of the compressor. Okay, so you get these 4 components along with the mounting gaskets when you buy a compressor. So once you've taken your unloader box apart and you've cleaned it and you've blown it out and everything's good, then you're going to take this cup, and I've already greased it with a silicone-based grease of some kind, and you're going to put it in so that the lip of the seal is down, because the air is coming this way, right, when it comes up from the governor. So you're going to put the seal in this way with the lip down, so that when the air comes back up, you'll be able to, it'll flare the seal out and seal it. So make sure that's in there, make sure it's greased. Same with your little hat, make sure it's in good shape. Polish it with some fine emery paper, grease it, and then you're going to slide that back in there as well. Should all slide in there by hand like nothing, because that's your unloader mechanism, right? And then all you're going to do is you're going to put your box back together. So you're going to use your spring that comes in the kit. You're going to put your O-ring on the outside here, just to simply seal it. It's a silicone O-ring. So seal that on the outside. And then you're going to put your box back together at whatever configuration it was at. You're going to bolt it back together and then bolt it onto your compressor and mount your governor. The other gaskets are there in the kit. And if you do that, then your compressor is going to unload properly like it should.